Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Facebook Pixel on Wix sites. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Facebook Pixel on your Wix site, start by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the website you want to connect. On the left sidebar, select Marketing Integrations. Scroll down to find the Facebook Pixel option. Click on Setup to begin the configuration process. You will be prompted to connect your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account when asked. Choose the correct Facebook ad account that you want to associate with your Wix site. Once connected, you will see a field to enter your Pixel ID. To find your Pixel ID, open a new tab and go to your Facebook Events Manager. In the Events Manager, select your Pixel. Click on Settings and copy your Pixel ID. Return to your Wix dashboard and paste the Pixel ID into the corresponding field. Click Save to confirm your settings. Wix will now automatically embed the Pixel code into your site. To ensure everything is working correctly, go back to Events Manager on Facebook. Use the Test Events tool to verify that your Pixel is firing properly. Visit your Wix site to generate some activity. Check back in Facebook Events Manager to see if the activity is recorded. If everything looks good, you have successfully enabled Facebook Pixel on your Wix site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.